Hello. Hi, it's Sharon from Sherry's Fairies. Well, we're at our daughter's house. We came down because they bought half a cow, so we're taking home some meat. And it's delicious. We've already had a couple feeds. So today we're going to tiny tidy a salad. This is going to be my tiny tidy for this Tuesday. So welcome to Tiny Tidy Tuesday, and it's hosted by Sunday Dawn. Hope you enjoy. I'm going to cut up a bunch of little veggies and make a delicious salad. Here we go. Okay, we're going to put the lettuce in the bowl. Nummy nummy. That's a nice bowl. Nice big wooden bowl. And we're going to have lovely salmon with it. A nice summertime meal. Now I've got to figure out where I can. There you go. There's the lovely tomatoes. Is it getting it?
I'm gonna have to edit out that big groups.
Yeah, I know. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna put it on my computer.
Okay.
Now we're gonna dice up the cucumber.
Maybe do half of it and then just grab the other half.
Yeah, I'm gonna slice it all up though.
Yeah, and then just
Put half in.
yeah. What I was saying.
There's the cucumber I'm gonna slice up into chunks.
Have I just done it the wrong way?
Hmm?
Shiny side in for tin foil on the barbecue? Dad?
You talking?
Yeah. Shiny side in
On what?
on tin foil for the fish on the barbecue.
Yeah, because shiny side up will reflect.
Okay, well, good to know I did it backwards. Try again. Try that again. Shiny side
In.
Good.
Shiny side reflects
in.
the heat.
Shiny side in.
Just like a mirror reflects your.
Yeah, I figured I was doing it wrong.
Yep. And these are grandson's cucumbers. He doesn't eat salad. And we'll throw those in the salad. My hands are clean. Just in case anybody wonders. I guess my tiny tidy is cleaning off the cutting board. That could be a tiny tidy. There, my cutting board's clean. Now I'm going to chop up the onions. Oh, and Jody's getting the salmon ready. She put the olive oil and the salt and the pepper.
And garlic and dill.
And garlic and dill. And she's going to wrap it up and we're going to put it on the barbecue. And have salmon and salad. Sounds delicious. Okay, green onion.
Oh, and lemon.
Oh, yes, and lemon. And now I'm going to chop up the green onion. There we go. Oh, there's one piece of salmon. Here's one piece of the salmon all ready to go in. And Jody got her salmon on sale today.
Sure did.
So it was a really good deal. Do you want that pepper in too?
Yes, please.
Okay.
And then that should be good enough for veggies, don't you think?
That right in front of the
Oh,
camera.
sorry.
Oh, that's fine. That's kind of cute. Yep, that's good for veggies. Cucumber, pepper,
Tomato and onion.
tomato, and onion.
That works for me.
There we go again. I tidied my board. Oh, I think I'm so funny. The salad is looking delicious. Let's get that yellow pepper in there. Nummy, nummy.
Okay, also known as a large.
Oh, I guess it doesn't matter. Huh?
Fishy. Fishiness. This water. Oh, I forgot to put the olive oil on the bottom.
Pepper smells delicious.
Oh yeah, you're gonna edit that out.
Yeah.
Damn you, Steph.
I don't think so.
Messing with
Doesn't matter. I just hope I got some video. It's one of those days, you know? Just one of those days. Leave the seeds all out. If I just leave some strips of pepper, will we eat those too?
No. If they were red.
Oh, like the orange?
Yeah, just put the whole pepper in the salad.
Oh.
Okay, well, I guess I'll wash it out.
And the other piece of salmon's getting the same treatment. Oh, I didn't see the lemons going on there. Just putting slices of lemon on there. Nice.
Dry dill because I didn't have any fresh dill.
Dry dill's just as good.
And I'm gonna make a salad dressing.
And she's gonna make homemade salad dressing. On there. Isn't that nice? That salad looks delicious. Hope you're not making you sick. Twisting you around.
Okay, so now I need this away.
So, now I'm gonna clean up my little mess I got here. Because you always have a little mess when you cook. Always nice to get it all cleaned up. And then you don't have much to clean up for supper. But there's our beautiful salad. And there's our beautiful salmon. And when the salmon comes off the barbecue, we'll show that too. So I'm going to clean up my little mess.
Hopefully. He'll just, maybe he'll kick those.
It'll be fine.
Mistakes, I guess. Okay, well, that garbage definitely.
He doesn't know it's
No, we're supposed to be having pierogies, but I didn't feel like pierogies. So we changed it to salmon.
There's my little
Now I just need
cleaned up. And the dogs are hoping for treats, but they're not getting any. Although Goldie does like. Goldie likes cucumber. Goldie. 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 Here, Goldie, this is Jodie's puppy. Goldie, here, there's cucumber. Whoops. Whoop. Here you go, girl. Okay.
Did you just spit it out?
Nope, I just dropped it. Rusty, you want a cucumber? You can eat it? You gonna eat it? Yeah, he's gonna eat it. Goldie's looking for more.
Oh, yeah, Goldie.
Here you go, Goldie, another piece of cucumber. You're such a good girl. And Buddy doesn't like to eat vegetables. I don't know. A little tiny piece for Buddy. So we see if Buddy will eat a little piece of cucumber. Little tiny piece. You want a little piece of cucumber, Buddy? You're going to be in the video too. There you go, Buddy. Want a piece of cucumber? Don't think so, eh? No, he doesn't like it. Here you go, Goldie. You're gonna buddies because you love cucumber. Good girl. And there's Rusty. Yeah, you didn't miss anything, Rusty. Yes. And there's Dave thinking hard.
Whoa.
And Jody's pretty poppies. They're actually faux poppies and they look so real. They're beautiful. Okay. So we got our supper on the go. Oh, she got those flowers from Dollarama. That's pretty darn good.
Yeah.
So again, there's our salad.
$8.
Should we toss it up?
Yeah, if you want.
Oh, she's going to make her salad dressing now. I'll have to film that. She makes good salad dressing.
Wow.
What she got in the jar already? Mustard?
Dijon mustard.
Dijon mustard.
Honey.
And honey. Is it local?
I don't know if
Looks
it's local.
like it.
Raw Frontier honey.
Mm.
It was a fundraiser thing
Mm.
that I bought at Save On Foods one day. At Save On Foods. So maybe Canadian honey?
Well, they might sell local product or local stuff sometimes. I don't know. And this is the cookbook she's getting the recipe out of. White water cookbook.
Yeah, do you want to grab me that piece of garlic? Shot across the counter?
Oh, a piece of garlic shot across the counter, so we'll grab it. There we go. There. Tiny Tidy Tuesdays can be pretty much anything. And I'd like to encourage everybody to watch all the Tiny Tidy ladies. I forget last week, I think we had about 15 ladies participate on Tuesday. I always think it's a fun collaboration to be in. See what everybody's doing because everybody does something different. Now she's putting basil in. Okay. About a tablespoon. And on top of her fridge, she has a lovely bowl and a pretty white jug and olive branches. Isn't that attractive?
And
I think that's
those
pretty.
come from Amazon.
Hey, the olive branches come from Amazon.
And the bowls from the Salvation Army.
Oh, and the bowls.
Value Village that we
The
went
bowls from Value Village. Nice. Nice. And this is the kitchen we worked so hard on. Painting. The heart of the home. And now we've got apple cider vinegar. And vinegar. Nummy, nummy, nummy. And some very ripe bananas on that counter.
to. Yeah, I'm supposed to
She'll
be
make
making banana bread.
She'll make banana bread.
I'm supposed to be.
Yeah, I put one in our fridge before we left because it was getting awfully ripe.
You're doing lemon instead of orange. Those oranges aren't looking too promising.
Hmm.
Yeah, that's fine. I have lots of lemons.
And she's gonna put lemon in.
Lemon zest.
Huh?
Lemon zest.
Lemon zest she's gonna put in. And I think the recipe calls for orange zest. But our oranges
Don't look so great.
aren't good, so we're just gonna put the lemon zest in, which works just
Lemon
fine.
juice.
And some lemon juice. And it smells so good. Yes, it does. It smells so good.
stinging my little cut
You got a cut in your
Iron
finger,
peel.
that will sting it.
that my iron pill gave me this morning.
Oh,
Yes, it did hurt.
like a paper cut?
Yeah, but it was metal.
Yeah. And pepper. And some salt. I like that salt container.
Yeah, Superstore. Superstore. And the slowest pouring olive oil ever.
You need that sweet. Lovely salmon and lovely salad.
That fits in the car.
Good dinner.
Did he eat it?
Doesn't it look delicious?